In advance for the preparation, we have disassembled the monochromator from the equipment. So for the next video clip, we will explain you how to disassemble the monochromator. But at this stage, you can just follow these steps so that you can exchange the mirrors, sensor mirror and the CF mirror. Please let us start.
편의상 두 개를 동시 교환할 때는 반드시 주의해야 될 거 1번 먼저 교체하고 2번
There is a caution just in advance before you exchange before you try to replacement. You have to replace the mirror in here for the first, and then secondly you can replace that. Just please don't mix up these steps. This step is the first one, and this step should be second one.
그리고 시작하기 전에 전원을 꼽아서 W 램프의 불빛을 비춰야 돼.
Just before you start, please turn on the equipment and let the W lamp, the yellow light, can be light inside of the equipment.
잠깐 멈추시죠.